Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got half my makeup on because we are going to be unboxing, reviewing, and demoing the new release from Deck of Scarlet. If you guys haven't heard of Deck of Scarlet, I'm fairly certain I've talked about them on my channel before, but they are a beauty subscription service. They come once every 2 months, and it's a palette that has all of the products you need for a full face. It's $29.95, which is less than one product at Sephora. It's pretty great, especially when you get so many different products. And what's unique about this service is that it's in collaboration with a YouTuber. So each palette is designed and created by maybe one of your favorite beauty gurus. So without further ado, if you guys want to see what's in this month's Deck of Scarlet box and see me apply it, create a look, hear my thoughts, then keep on watching. Okay, so when you open up the box, there is a card inside. And the card shows the YouTuber that is collabing on this box. And this month it is BelleJorden. She is a British beauty influencer. I'm going to just read you the little blurb that it says about her. She's gorgeous, by the way. In case you guys haven't heard from her, it says that she's all about heavy metallics, pigments that pop, and plenty of sparkle. She embraces cruelty-free makeup and empowers her fellow beauty lovers to go bold, dream big, and make their own rules. Get insider access to all of her rock star hacks, tips, and tricks, and get glam. So I am going to assume that this is cruelty-free, which is even better. Okay, so now for the palette itself. There's a little foam piece on the top here to protect. Oh, it's so pretty. This is the cover. And it looks like there's a mascara in here as well. Here is what the outside of the palette looks like. And it's a sleeve, and when you slide it off, this is the front of the palette. It feels really sturdy. It's magnetic, and there is a mirror inside. Ooh, and these are this month's colors. Actually, I'm gonna turn it this way so I don't blind you. So there are colors on both sides, and actually I'm going to remove this so you don't get a glare. And we have 3 shadows, a blush, a highlight, and 2 lip shades. Looks very purple toned, but I think this is going to be fun to create kind of like a summery look. I would wear all of these colors, so this was a good one, you guys. It looks very wearable to me, so I'm excited to try this. All right, so I have my foundation, concealer, powder, and bronzer on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on some blush. I've been loving this duo fiber brush from Luxie, the 516. And I'm just going to go ahead and dip in there. It's really pretty. Wow, that's really pretty, you guys. Ooh, I like it. Like, just looking at this in the pan, it kind of reminds me of like Warm Soul. Like, it's giving me Warm Soul vibes. And on camera, it's translating a lot more pink than it looks in person. Like in the pan, that looks like, when I'm looking in the monitor, it looks very blush, but when I look at here, it looks very Warm Soul-ish. Like a little deeper, a little bit more mauve-y, but along those lines. That's so pretty. The reason that I'm doing my blush first is because I'm just one of those people that likes to do my face makeup before my eye makeup. Once in a great while I'll do my eyes first, but very, very rare. So that blush shade was called Whisper. We're gonna go in with the highlight shade, which is called Shh. And I'm taking this BH 140 brush, which has been my favorite highlight brush. And we're gonna pop that on. Ooh. Wow, wow. That's beautiful. I am in it. I am into it. This might be the best one yet. Whew. This actually might be the best Deck of Scarlet release yet, just because of that. Wow. Impressed. All right, so for the eyes, I'm going to be using all BH brushes because I've been so into them lately. This is another product that just like blew my mind. I was not expecting to love these brushes as much as I do, but like these marble ones, first of all, they're so beautiful. They're marble and rose gold, but the brushes themselves are awesome. So I've been using them nonstop. This one is a giant fluffy brush. It's number 7. So there's not really a transition shade per se in here. I think I might use the blush. I'm gonna go in with that first. That's really pretty. I like it. All right, so next I'm going in with a smaller brush. This one is the 9 in the marble collection. And I'm gonna take this color here called Drama. And I am going to use that as my crease color to define the crease. These are nice. Blending out really easily. Pigment is there. And then I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush and just kind of blend out the edges. Okay, so next I'm going to take this shade here called Crush. It's the deep purple shade, and I'm using this pointy, pencil-y kind of dome-shaped brush, and this is an 8. BH Cosmetics number 8. And I'm just going to use this to press this color into the outer V just to smoke out the look. You guys, I'm like so impressed with these. First of all, the colors just go so good together, but they're really pigmented and super easy to blend. I'm sorry, that looks stunning. I love it. Okay, so now for the color I think I'm most excited about. It's this purple shade called Supernova. And it is a shimmery lilac shade, but it has a bit of a blue shift to it. It's really pretty. I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics concealer. Well, I think it's a concealer brush. It looks like a concealer brush. It's number 10. And I'm going to start by just applying it without wetting it, just to see how it looks. And then if we have to go in with Fix Plus, then we will. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. So I'm just applying this all over the lid, kind of blending it into that deeper purple. And I'm pulling it all the way to the inner corner. You guys, that's really pretty. I wasn't expecting to love it this much, but how could you not? Okay, now for the lower lash line, I am going to take this shade Whisper, the blush shade. I'm going to take the BH number 8, and I'm going into the blush shade Whisper, and I'm going to apply that all along the lower lash line. And I'm taking it pretty far down. I just really want to smoke out look today. Yeah. So good. All right, I'm going back in with this pencil brush, and I'm taking the shade Drama, and I'm going to go kind of like to the pupil. Like halfway, I would say. With my trusty and beat up MAC pencil brush. I don't even know, couldn't even tell you what the number is because it's so old. I'm going in with the shade Crush just to the outer corner. I'm just sort of meeting it up with the outer V. Do I want a liner? I don't feel like I really need liner. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 237 Detailed Shader Brush, and I'm going to take the highlight shade, and I am going to pop that into my inner corner. This highlight does things to me. I love it. I almost forgot about the mascara. I'm going to quickly curl my lashes. I like this brush. This brush reminds me of the Mally Beauty Mascara, which you guys already know I love. This is Deck of Scarlet's first mascara, and it's good. I really like this mascara, you guys. I cannot believe how much I love everything in this palette so far. There's not one thing that I didn't like. So, yeah. Lash glue looks like it's almost dry, so I'm gonna pop these lashes on and then we will do the lip. Okay, so for lips, I'm applying the lip liner I always apply. If you watch my videos, you already know what it is. It's the L'Oreal Color Riche Matte Lip Liner in Matte's It. This color tone matches this look perfectly. Yes. We are going in with the pink lip shade in the collection. It's called Tempting. These types of lipsticks are not my favorite. I typically like a lipstick in a tube, but we're gonna give it a try anyways and just see how it goes. So I'm just taking this pointy little lip brush, picking up some of the color. Ooh, oh. That is a lot more pigmented than I was expecting. That's really pretty. Oh my god, you guys. I love this color. It's kind of like a little bit on the orchid side. It's like a pinky purple. But it's beautiful. I'm speechless. I love it. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I gotta tell you, I'm obsessed. Like, I love it. I haven't worn purple like this in a while, and I am feeling it. This palette is worth every penny. This was sent to me to review, but honestly, I would pay my own money for this. Every single shade in the palette was pigmented, it blended out well. This is high-end quality, and for $29.95 to get 3 eyeshadows, a highlight, a blush, and like the pan sizes are really big on these. And then the lip colors, even if you don't usually like lipsticks like this, which I don't, I'm telling you, this formula, first of all, is awesome, but like, look at this color. It's super pigmented. It went on so easy. It was easy to apply. Like, these usually I think of like messy, sticky, pain in the ass. You know what I mean? But this was not that at all. And then the mascara, I love this. I would pay $29.95 just for this. So I love this. I am giving this 2 thumbs up. Definitely hot AF. And Deck of Scarlet was kind enough to send me a link for you guys to get 30% off your first order. So basically, instead of it being $29.95, it'll actually only be $21 for your first palette. $21 for this? Yes, is all I'm saying. Yes, I love it. It's such a good deal. I'm going to leave that link in the description box, so I don't get any money off of it, but if you guys are interested, you can save yourself some money and pick up this palette. If you are into purple, you need this. Okay, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on social. I am at @GlamLatte across the board. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.